Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to MetaMask in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets for DeFi opportunities or better control, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. First things first, let's make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Coinbase account with some Bitcoin, a MetaMask wallet set up, and a basic understanding of blockchain bridges since Bitcoin and Ethereum networks don't directly connect. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account and head to your Bitcoin wallet. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough BTC for the transfer, remembering to account for network fees. Step 2. Since MetaMask is primarily for Ethereum-based assets, you'll need to use a bridge like Wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC, or a trusted cross-chain service. Look for the Send or Withdraw option in Coinbase, and select the bridge provider. Popular ones in 2025 include Ren Protocol or Official Bridges. Step 3. Enter the bridge's wallet address in Coinbase. This isn't straightforward, so make sure to generate a deposit address from the bridge service and paste it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Once confirmed, initiate the transfer and wait for the transaction to process. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Step 4. On the bridge platform, claim your wrapped Bitcoin. Then, in MetaMask, switch to the Ethereum network, import the wrapped token if needed, and voila, you'll see your assets there. A quick word of caution: always use secure connections, enable two-factor authentication, and be aware of gas fees, which can add up. Double-check addresses to prevent losses. Crypto transfers are irreversible. By 2025, regulations might have changed, so stay updated with official sources. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to bridge your Bitcoin to MetaMask. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge. See you next time.